In this video, we're going to talk about the basics of digital products and why they are very ideal for coaches and consultants. Before we start, let's have a quick story. My name is Abby, and before this, I've tried many different business models. They've included things such as selling free products online, such as on platforms like Shopify. They also include coaching sessions where I would try to tutor and coach incoming and new nursing students so that they would do well on their exams. What I found during my short-term business of trying to build an online coaching service for nursing students, I've realized that this was something that was not sustainable. And what I mean by that is that it took a lot of time out of me to schedule these appointments over and over again with various students. It also was difficult because when I would schedule with one student, I had to tailor my approach so that it would be beneficial to that specific student. And so when I go on to the next student, they needed something totally different. And that's what made it more difficult in me because I was spending so much time not only during the meeting but also outside the meeting to tailor different specific approaches to every single client that I would come across and meet. This basically created a type of lifestyle for me that was very unsustainable and didn't give me a lot of free time. In a sense, you have to remember that we have 24 hours in a day, and there's only so much we can do in 24 hours. You can do a lot, but there's still a limit to it. There's a limit to how many people can sign up on your calendar in order to book those sessions, those one-on-one coaching sessions or consultant sessions. And it also limits the amount of free time you have, so that even if you're fully booked and you think that's a good thing, if more and more people want to come, they can't book with you because your entire calendar is full. So in a sense, you lose time because you have no free time, because you're also spending that extra time outside the meetings tailoring solutions that are unique to each client. You're also losing money because there's only so many time slots that you can fill out. And so if you have way more clients, you can't service all of them. This is where digital products come in. And to make it simple, digital products are basically items that you buy online or through a digital platform that are given immediately to you directly after purchase. So as soon as you pay for that digital product, you have that download. That can include music that you download from the Apple Store. That's an example of a digital product. That can include ebooks, Kindle books that you buy off of Amazon. As soon as you purchase, it's immediately delivered to your device or on your computer or whatever technological device that you use. You can also use examples such as guides, templates. Those are immediately delivered to you as soon as you buy them, say like on Etsy. These digital products, whether they be ebooks, guides, templates, etc., courses, they helped give me clarity. And what I mean by that is they gave me clarity in the sense that I could clear my mind and I can clear my schedule because I could tailor a certain approach, a standardized system for students to use in order to help them do well on their exam. When I talk about how I had nursing students trying to study and tutor for their nursing school exams. For example, instead of just having back-to-back one-on-one coaching sessions, I would use an approach where I would have for sale digital access to my Quizlet flashcard decks. These flashcard decks are how I made flashcards throughout my entire year of my accelerated nursing school program, and giving people free access such as a lead magnet and also additional specific paywalled access to certain flashcards within the Quizlet platform gave me more free time and gave me the information that I needed to use, to feedback that I needed to use in order to not only improve my products but also gave me the feedback to understand, like, okay, is what I'm doing working for my clients? Basically, digital products offer you a way to share your expertise without spending so much time doing those one-on-one calls. These are the big reasons why I believe that if you are an online coach or a consultant, that it's very important for you to utilize digital products in your suite. Instead of spending 45 minutes to an hour or even more individually for each one-on-one call that you have scheduled throughout your entire monthly calendar, you can set aside a certain amount of hours a day and use those hours to work on a digital product. Say, for example, you want to make a standardized ebook about how you studied for nursing school. You can create that study guide in a couple of hours. Then you can list that product in your offer suite. As you market the product, you're getting more leads, or if you want to, you can sell that guide as a paid digital product. Once you have your digital product in your offer suite online, you realize that all you have to do is just market the product. As you market the product, hopefully you're getting more leads and people that are willing to buy your product. This helps free up your time because you only put in the initial amount of time that you had to put in the beginning to just make that product, and that is done. You don't have to remake the product again. The only other times that you have to do work related to the product is basically when you're doing marketing, such as having a marketing sales strategy, if you want to set up sales calls, if you want to make organic content or ads online to help market your product. The fact that you're making a digital product frees up more of your time and takes it away from spending hours doing one-on-one calls to doing more of what you need to do in order to gain more revenue and profit. Ultimately, by doing all of this and selling digital products, you gain your time back to do what matters most to you. And you also save money because you have more time to spend on just marketing one standardized product, and the value that you place on the product by setting a certain price, you can get more and more of those sales. By getting more of those sales, you increase your revenue and basically your profit. You also end up not exchanging directly your time to your value. That comparison or that correlation, but specifically, is just broken up so that it's not as if for 1 hour you're selling your service for like $450. Instead, you can sell as many digital products as you want, you can sell such as an ebook for as many times as you want at $29.99, and you can make those sales over and over and over again depending on how good your marketing is. And in a way, you're basically making passive income where you're making money as you sleep. Because if you can sell a digital product, you do not have to be physically present to sell your service or your product. You can take the back seat while your digital product does the work for you, and that's what I mean by you can basically make money in your sleep. Digital products give you the time and money freedom that you desire. You can use that freedom to either spend more time with family or even give into the creative side of yourself and put that creative side to work so that you can do more for your business. It's up to you for what you want to do with your time and money freedom. Now, throughout this video, we talked about digital products, what they are, and how they can benefit you as a coach or client online. I know that there's a lot of you out there that dream of achieving time and money freedom. I also know that you all struggle with dealing with spending so much time on one-to-one coaching and getting stressed because of it. So I've created an online community that's there to help you achieve your dream outcome of time and money freedom. It is also there to help you get away from the struggle and stress of online business. If you want to learn more about the community, you can click the link down in the description. As a bonus, if you join today, you will get access to a transcript of this video and 5 takeaways that you can take with you in order to start your digital product business. Note, doors to the community are officially opening on December the 5th. Right now, there is a pre-registration period for the first 30 people who sign up get lifetime free access. I would encourage you to take the opportunity and join now before it's too late and all those 30 slots are filled. That way you can see me build the community as it's completely new, and you have the ability to give me input freely so that I can tailor the community towards your needs. By having your voices heard in the community, I can also tailor modules and additional resources for all of you to have access to. This space is created for people like you, online coaches and consultants that want to get away from the struggle and the stress of dealing with creating one-on-one meetings over and over and over again, who just want the time and money freedom that they so desired initially by creating a business. Digital products will give you that opportunity. It will give you that time and money freedom that you so desire. If this video resonated with you, let me know down in the comments of what you liked about this video. Or you can mention about what are some next step plans that you plan on taking in order to achieve that dream outcome of time and money freedom. You can watch more videos like this on my YouTube channel if you want to be educated and inspired to take action to build your digital product empire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.